Here at Atlantis Rail, we offer various fittings for our cable railing. Today, we'll walk you through the 3 different types, what they look like, and how they're installed. The 3 fitting choices are RailSimple, RailEasy, and HandiSwage. They are all made from 316L stainless steel for durability and corrosion resistance. Our new RailSimple line is designed to make cable railing installation faster and easier than ever, cutting install time by 50%. We also offer the RailSimple Onyx series, our black cable railing option. The patent-pending slotted base exposes the Torx screw for simple surface mounting and seamless installation on stair, straight, or angled runs. With our innovative push connect technology, cable is simply inserted into the fitting head and locked securely in place with no special tools required. This new cable railing line also features swivel ends, our non-tensioning fitting, and flat base styles. Tensioner to tensioner cable runs should not exceed 100 feet, while tensioner to swivel end cable runs should not exceed 50 feet. RailEasy is an additional surface mount option. The RailEasy tensioner is the primary cable railing tensioning fastening device. Utilizing 5/32 cable, this mechanical compression fitting allows for installation and tensioning with simple hand tools. These tensioners also have a patented slotted base to achieve angles up to 45 degrees, making it perfect for stair applications. RailEasy also offers a non-tensioning swivel end to use on opposite sides of the run. Tensioner to tensioner cable runs should not exceed 50 feet, while tensioner to swivel end cable runs should not exceed 25 feet. If you want a through-post option that hides the hardware, we offer the HandiSwage fittings. The HandiSwage system is an easy-to-use cable railing product utilizing 1/8 cable and fittings that are an adaptation of the traditional swage fittings. They are concealed within the post for a completely unobstructed view and can be attached to the cable using Atlantis Rail's HandiSwage tools. Cable runs should not exceed 50 feet. Here at Atlantis Rail Systems, we offer a variety of cable railing products to fit your style and needs. For more information about our products, visit our website. Thank you for making Atlantis Rail the choice for your view.